Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Anyone who knows me know that my organization is called the JAHJAH Foundation. JAHJAH, right? And as Bob Marley says. What Bob Marley said? There's so much things to say right now. We have so much things to say. So, Consul General Wilson, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the JAHJAH Foundation team who's here. Good evening.
Good evening.
Once again, I want to give thanks to the Almighty for health and strength. Being a dual citizen, there's no higher recognition than one which comes from the Consul General's office. I also want to congratulate all my co-honorees here tonight. Dr. Roy Streete, who has, he's tired of hearing that I stand on his shoulders. He said, Dr. Dixon, you know, I'm not much older than you, but he knows he's always been that light for me that made me realize what I could be. I want to thank Consul General Alsion Wilson and her team for recognizing the efforts of the numerous volunteers of the JAHJAH Foundation through the years. I accept this award on behalf of the volunteers, the sponsors, and of course our awesome supporters. Most importantly, I accept this award on behalf, this Heritage Award on behalf of the people of Jamaica who need and benefit from our initiatives. We realize that not everyone on the island when we're there need our services, but there are so many people on Jamaica's island that needs our services. We do a lot of medical screening, dental care, cervical cancer screening, and so much more. Because they cannot afford it, or they don't have easy access to it, which it is available in the public sector, but not everybody has access to it. That's the same problem we have here in the United States. Those patients we see on our missions, whether we're in Kingston, Chantilly, Manchester, Ulster Spring, Trelawney, or Little London, Westmoreland, the smiles on their face after they see our well-equipped and our well-specialized dentists, the smiles they see on their face, and the relief on those women who go to get their pap smear result and they realize that the pap smear result is negative. Those to us is priceless. We are hopeful when we are able to partner with physicians in Jamaica's public hospitals, and we can also Zoom live at Jacobi Medical Center in the Bronx, New York, and we discuss approaches in making critical diagnosis with bedside ultrasound at our virtual bi-weekly, twice a month. We do case reviews with the doctors in Jamaica's public hospitals and how to use ultrasound to save lives. Let's give everybody a round of applause. So we're truly heartened by the advances and the impact that it has created. But we are also equally disappointed when we face challenges in getting help to the people who need it in Jamaica. This is a situation we now face, and we are caught up. And the Honorable Minister Nigel Clark, he had a very good speech this week where he says that he referred to the bureaucratic red tape at our ports and at our airports to release our ambulance. We have an ambulance that has been sitting in Jamaica since August 24th, 2023. The ambulance has been earmarked to assist saving lives as it serves the people of Westmoreland and support the local fire brigade in that region. We are disappointed, but we are hopeful. Because Minister Clark just announced this week that he assured us that he will be doing all he can to eliminate the bureaucracy and the red tape that exists at our ports and at our airports. He guaranteed that we're going to have a bureaucracy and examine the duty-free threshold. So we are encouraged by what is happening in Jamaica. Despite these struggles, I pledge my heart forever for the service and advancement of Jamaica, its people, and all mankind, as long as I shall live. Thank you again. On behalf of the JAHJAH Foundation, please support us. We're on social media. We're on Twitter, YouTube, Facebook. Go online, subscribe, and share, and see the work of the JAHJAH Foundation. One love, JAHJAH Foundation.